Hello everyone, my name is Eric Jones. I will be your instructor for HOR 112 and welcome to Plant Materials Group 1. We are here on main campus. This is your very first plant location video for the plant materials in Plant Materials 2. So we're on main campus. As you can see, we're over by horticulture. So what I'm doing with this video is actually just locating the plants that are going to be on your plant list. And if you go ahead and print off Plant Material Group 1 from Blackboard, you'll see that plant number 1 is your Acer Rubrum. It is your Trident Maple. I want you to come here, study the tree. I want you to grab a couple of samples. I want you to find the juvenile leaf and the mature leaf. So you're going to have two different shape size leaves here on the Trident Maple. I also want you to look at plant number 6 while you're over here. It is your Crepe Myrtle. It is your Lagerstroemia indica. And as you can see, it is blooming pink. Now, we also did see this on Plant Materials 1, and there will be times that you will see plants again because I want you to see them at different times of the year. But this is your Crepe Myrtle, your Lagerstroemia indica. So you'll come over and get a sample of the leaf, a sample of the fruit that's still remaining. You should be able to get a nice sample over there next to the curb where it is a little shorter for you to reach. But that is plant number 6, Lagerstroemia indica. We have plant number 1, your Trident Maple. Now, your plant number 3, Acer Rubrum, is also here next to horticulture. I'm gonna walk down here and actually show you. So we're walking by the greenhouses. Now this is just to actually show you where the plant materials are. You need to come and take your plant samples of the plants and compare it to my plant samples sheet. So here is plant number 3, your Acer Rubrum. We planted this tree in construction class about 3 years ago, but it is your red maple, your Acer Rubrum. This is actually your sunset red maple. So come and take a sample and have it for your collections. So we have seen plants 1, 3, and 6. I'm gonna walk across campus and show you where plants number 2, 4, and 5 are. Thank you so much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is another example of a Crepe Myrtle. We have them with white blooms and actually a dark foliage. There are multiple colors of Crepe Myrtles. So you can never go wrong planting one in your client's yard. But I wanted to show you this. But look at that. I love the dark foliage with the white blooms. A really pretty contrast. So nice Crepe Myrtle there. All right, class, we're looking at plant number 4, your Acer Sacrum, your sugar maple. They align Oak Grove Road coming in to the Strickland Center. So right here on the main thoroughfare, as I call it, through campus. So you'll want to come down here and get your sample for your sugar maple. I want you to look at the difference between a sugar maple and a red maple. Take a look at the plant sample sheet, but the sugar maple has that distinct U. So sugar is spelled S-U-G-A-R. You've got your U-shaped portion of the leaf, and with the red maple it has a distinct almost triangle look, but we'll see that on the plant sample sheet. But this is your Acer Sacrum, your sugar maple. All right, class, we are here in the Hearts Garden. As you can see, Remember coming down here from last year, or last plant materials class. But here we have plant number 2, your Acer palmatum. This is a very beautiful specimen of a Japanese maple. It is green. I noticed the leaves. We're going to get some good samples. But you know, they have red Japanese maples, they have thread leaf Japanese maples, and we will see some of both. But that is plant number 2, Acer palmatum. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in the courtyard over by the library and Ardmore Hall and the tech building. Here is plant number 5, your Acer X Fremani Jeffers Red, your autumn blaze maple. Now, most of this leaf structure is green right now. I want you to come and get a sample of this plant once a week, and I want you to see the difference. Like, tape it to a piece of paper, you know, first week of the semester all the way through it losing its leaves. And I want you to see how red the actual veins get on the back of the leaf. This is your plant number 5, your autumn blaze maple. It is a cross between a red maple and a silver maple. But pay close attention to the leaf structure on the samples page. We also have another sample of plant number 2, your Japanese maple, right here. So there's 2 of them planted side by side. And that does complete all 1 through 6, your first plant material group of the fall semester. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next lecture.